What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove stickers from your walls and ceilings without causing any damage to the paintwork. These ones have been on the wall for about 13-14 years. The previous tenant has already tried to remove one, and as you can tell, he's damaged the wall. So I'm going to show you guys an easy way to fix this without damaging the walls. Let's get straight into it. Let's do this. Alright guys, so the way we're going to remove this is by using a heat gun. Now if you haven't got a heat gun at home, you can use a hairdryer. It obviously doesn't get up to as much heat, so it just takes a little bit longer for you to heat up that adhesive. The whole point of using the heat gun is we're going to soften the adhesive enough to allow us to start to peel that off slowly. So, and I do mean slowly, you don't want to over pull it when the adhesive isn't ready. You kind of start to get a feel for it and you'll feel just how easy it is to pull off. So we'll start off on Mr. Elephant here. Wait for the heat gun to get up to a decent temperature, and we're just going to do that in a clockwise or anti-clockwise or any direction really, as long as you don't keep it in the same spot for too long. Once the heat starts to pick up a bit, which it's almost ready, we're going to start off on a little corner, and you can see now we can start peeling off that corner. So we'll start heating it up from the top, peeling it down again until we've got a bit to bite on, and you can see there the adhesive starting to come off and it's stretching. So we just want to take that off slowly, making sure to reposition your hand every time and get a good grip, because if you don't, then it ends up snapping and it's going to make it a lot harder to remove. Just like that. See how that part there snapped off? So we just keep working it. Does take a little bit of time, but it's definitely much better and easier than patching and having to repaint. Remembering these ones here have been on for over 10 years, so if you've got one that's been on here for a less period of time, it'll obviously be a lot easier to do. And once that's done, we've got it off. Next thing we're going to do now is you'll find there's still a little bit of residue. And the way we get rid of the residue is by using a goo remover. Anything like this one here is citrus based, so it's got a nice pleasant smell, doesn't damage the wall. All we want to do, spray it on there a little bit, take a clean rag, and you can wipe all that adhesive off. Perfect. So I've got a long way to go. I've got plenty more that needs to be done here. And once that's done, guys, this is the finished product. So you can see here we've got no more stickers left up on this wall. There's the original tear mark from the tenant's attempt of removing the stickers. But all in all, it's come up pretty good. You can still see little slight outlines of the stickers, the hippo, the snake, and the elephant, I think it was. But the reason for that is these walls haven't been painted for about 15 years, and these stickers were applied probably about 12 years ago. So the original color under the stickers is what you can see there, and the rest is all the basically wear and tear over the past 10-12 years or so. I've got a couple more stickers that I need to remove here, but all in all, easy way to remove your stickers without damaging your walls. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.